Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another early testnet project which is called Orbinum network. Right now they only have 7.1k followers here. So we are joining super early. If you check their recent pin post where they mentioned their testnet is just live, that means you can join now. So their tagline is blockchain privacy infrastructure. So in simple terms, Orbinum network is a privacy-focused blockchain that lets users and apps make secure, private transactions using zero-knowledge technology. If you want to know more information about them, you can visit their website. As for the listing, they plan to TGE in October-December 2026, where Season 1 is expected to end. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for all the latest videos. And most importantly, you must join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto news and airdrop updates. So all links are in the description, so check them out. To join their testnet, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you will find this site link. So after landing here, you will see the connect wallet option. Simply click there. Then you need to connect any of these following wallets. So if you want to connect MetaMask, then go to the second page. Then you will see the MetaMask wallet. So select that, then click on connect. Again click on connect. Then here you need to enter your profile name. Then click on register and sign. Then confirm the MetaMask request. And then you will see this dashboard and you are ready to go. So first here you will find some social tasks which you must complete before doing on-chain tasks. So first you need to connect your Discord. So click here, authorize. But to complete this task, first you need to join their Discord. So copy this Discord link, then paste it into your browser. Then accept the invite. Then solve the CAPTCHA. Then click this verify button and you will be verified. Then go back and again click on connect Discord. Then authorize. And then your task will be completed. Then you need to connect Telegram. So click on connect. Then Telegram will open. So again copy their Telegram group link. Then paste it into the browser. Then join their group first. Then again click on connect Telegram. Then click on continue with Telegram. Then you need to prove you are human. So click on that. Then start the verification. Then solve the CAPTCHA. After that, this task will also be completed. Then you need to connect your Twitter. So click on connect X. Then authorize. And then done. So after completing all the tasks, here on the top you will see the daily reward option. Click on that. Here you can earn one free reward daily. So you can win credits or quiz prizes. So click on reveal reward. Then it will spin. Wait a bit. And here as you can see, I have just got 5 credits. So again you can check it tomorrow. After that, click here on the network section. Here you will see the Orbinum testnet and mainnet options. So right now their testnet is live and the mainnet is coming soon. So here in the testnet section you need to add their testnet to your wallet. So click on add to wallet. Then confirm the MetaMask request and your wallet will be added. After that you need to claim their faucet. So here click on testnet faucet. Then here you can claim 10 Orb tokens daily. So here what you need to do is just copy your wallet address and paste it here. Then you will see the message eligible. Then simply wait around 10 to 15 seconds. Then you need to connect with Discord. Simply authorize. And then you will receive 10 tokens instantly. Again, you can claim after 24 hours. After receiving your testnet tokens, go to the private pool section, and here first you need to unlock the private pool section. So click on sign and unlock, then confirm the MetaMask request, and again confirm the request, and you will see your private address will be generated. Then you need to shield ORB, so click there and you will land on this page. So here you need to move to private pool, so select minimum 1 ORB, then click on shield, then confirm the MetaMask request, then wait for confirmation, and it's complete. Then if you want, you can unshield ORB, so click here, then select your amount to be unshielded, then click on unshield, then wait for confirmation, and then you will see it will be unshielded. Then here you have the private transfer option. So here basically you can send privately to another address. Then go to the community section, and here you will find your referral link and your referral code, which you can share with your friends to earn some extra credits. Then here you have some quests which you can complete to earn points. Here you can see your total referrals and referral rewards. Then here you have the learn section where you will find some quizzes which you can answer to earn points. Then here you have a few on-chain tasks, so don't forget to complete all of them. On the history section you can see your total earnings, and here is the leaderboard section where you can see top participants ranking and you can track your ranking. On the profile section you can edit and add your email as well. So that's all for this video. Please like and share this video, and if you are coming here for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.